This is the battery-powered Nest Doorbell from Google, an intelligent doorbell with a built-in camera that lets you answer your door from anywhere. So let's say you're out, grabbing some groceries. Nest Doorbell's built-in intelligence will alert you if it spots a person, package, animal, or vehicle. It can even recognize familiar faces, so it'll tell you when your kids get home and show you a head-to-toe view of the surprise they brought.
Eleanor, is that a duck?
Yep, the doorbell has a built-in mic and speaker that let you chat with whoever's there from wherever you are. This wire-free doorbell also comes in 4 different colors and has a built-in rechargeable battery, which means it can be installed in any type of home and is easy to set up yourself. Or you can have it wired in like a regular doorbell and never have to charge it. It even lets you send a quick, pre-recorded response with a tap.
We'll be right there.
Now say a storm passes through and the power and Wi-Fi go out. All good. Nest Doorbell's battery lets it record even when the power's out. It can store up to an hour of recorded events on its local memory. So once the Wi-Fi's back, you can see how your house handled the storm. Speaking of going back in time, Nest Doorbell's video history lets you rewatch events from up to the past 3 hours, so you can find out what happened to your bike. Well, really? And if you want even more video history, sign up for Nest Aware in the Google Store. Starting at $6 a month, you'll get 30 days of event playback from your Nest Doorbell, and all your other Nest cams and displays too. Okay, let's say it's late, and you hear a noise outside.
Hey Google, show me the front door camera.
Now you can check in from bed and get a clear picture with night vision. I guess somebody found the dog door. Just tap in to say,
Edgar, stay. Good duck.
So yeah, keep an eye on your door from anywhere. That's the battery-powered Nest Doorbell from Google.
The new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell lets you see what other doorbells can't. A more complete picture from head to toe. Know exactly what's happening with valuable notifications and take action faster with options right on your phone. You can also reduce notifications that are less important to you. Get peace of mind with clear video, day or night, for anything at your door. And keep your home protected at all times. It's built to last. And rest assured, with Arlo's Privacy Pledge, that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. The all-new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Complete picture, total protection.
They say the front porch is an American invention. That little parlor on the front of your house. With those easy chairs that say, take a load off, stranger. Sit and visit for a spell. Yes, sir, the front porch is a sacred space where the sanctity of the home meets the great primeval wild, full of little turds like this one. And the new Wyze Video Doorbell Pro shows you what's out there, head to toe and side to side, right in your face, bigger, wider, and sharper than ever before. Greet the wondrous outside world with package detection, pet detection, and person detection. Captured at your doorstep and special delivered to the palm of your hand. that Girl Scout selling cookies, that milkman, that friendly neighbor with a basket full of freshly picked garden zucchini, just stopping by to say hello. Unlike other doorbell cameras, the chime is included. Plus, it's got a 6-month battery life and a wire-free, screw-free installation option so simple it could be installed in under 5 minutes by a bright-eyed little angel child. There's what's outside, and there's what's inside. And between them is your front porch. A place of greeting, a place of open arms and open hearts. Maybe it's time we recapture some of that spirit. Maybe it's time we dusted off that time-honored old word, welcome. Maybe it's time we open our doors, because when the inside finally opens itself to the outside, magic happens. And that's what makes the American front porch such a magical place. Wyze Video Doorbell Pro for everything out there.
It's got true detect heat motion detection, 1080p full HD camera quality, and it even records video and audio so I'll always know what's happening outside.
Trust me, not even ninjas like us can get past this one.
Challenge accepted.
You're gonna have to do better than that.
Wow. Who is it?
Hey, pizza delivery.
Are you serious?
Alright, you win. SwannBuddy is too much to get past, even for a ninja. Now can I get some pizza?
SwannBuddy Video Doorbell, your friend at the front door.